Hello and welcome to this video in which I show how to work with a point cloud and clipping boxes in HiCAD. Basically, you have to imagine like this. This point cloud was imported here directly and you want to see but only a small part of this point cloud to construct something there. To do that, I can go over here and edit these so-called clipping boxes. Basically, you see a clipping box here. I can here, if I go on the box, also still rotate it with the right mouse button and, for example, edit here this alignment of the box. Furthermore, with this clipping box, I can pull through this area here, reduce it in order to display only my desired area. In this way, you can easily reduce the partial area to make it easy to find your way around. You can see here that I have only used a small part of the point cloud in order to be able to work in a certain area.